All right, number 33, similar to number 32, we're asked to write an equation for the line described. We are to give our answers in slope-intercept form. All right, so we've been told that the line that we are to create an equation for goes through the points 6, 9 and 0, -8. And we know that we need two pieces of information in order to write the equation of a line. We need a slope and we need a point. And we already have the point, don't we? In fact, we have 2 points. So we have that, that's good to go. But what about a slope? Well, we seem to be missing that. So let's use the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's find a slope and then we can proceed from there. All right, again, I like to label my points so I can try to stay organized. So x1, y1, x2, y2, and now we'll take this information and plug it in. So y2, -8, minus y1, which is 9, over x2 minus x1, so 0 minus 6. -8 minus 9, well that's -17 over 0 minus 6, -6. We know a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so we end up with positive 17 over 6 as our slope. So now we've got a slope, we have a point, and we can go ahead and find the equation of this line. Like we discussed in video number 33, because one of the 2 points they've given us is in fact the y-intercept, we can go right from the information that we have, the slope and this point, to slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, because m, our slope, we've just found, and b, the y-intercept, where it's some point 0, b, well, we have both of those pieces of information, so we can plug that in into y equals m 17 over 6 x plus b. Well, what is b from the y-intercept? Well, -8. And so there we have the equation of the line that goes through these 2 points. I'm not going to go through it, but take a look at question number 32, and I talk about using the point-slope form as an alternative to using the slope-intercept form directly if we're not given a y-intercept. If we're given 2 points other than a y-intercept, we would then have to use the point-slope form, which I talk a little bit about in question 32. So take a look at that. All right, let's take a look at question number 34. I'll see you there.